Hey, man, we got an easy go lithium battery here, Samsung. We're going to put a state of charge meter on it and the harness. I'm going to show you how to do this, man. There's your state of charge part number. Let it come zoom in a little bit. All right, here's your part number. 658249 for the battery gauge. And then for your wiring harness, 656773. That's for the battery gauge. You gotta take the dash off here. Phillips head screws. Now we just did that to show you how to do that. Now it's how you wire it up. You gotta take the dash off. And you have 5 screws here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now on my page, man, I have videos scheduled up until the end of April of next year. All right. So if you want, right now they're members only. In order to see them now, you have to be a member. But I got me a new microphone. Comment below if you. I'm going to release this video today, and let me know if the new microphone makes a difference. So then what we're going to do now, in order to pull this dash up, now you take your hand, hold this, just pull up on this, like that. Now for some reason now, they always take and zip tie the harness to this, to the dash itself. So what you got to do, unplug the key switch. You got to stick your hand back here and just cut the zip tie. Zip tie. I'll show you get it out there because I can't get it in there. You just cut the zip tie. I just take a regular blade and cut the zip tie. And you can see they zip tie right here to this. And the only way you can get it off is to cut that there. So now what we're going to do is run the harness. You got your harness. Now you had to buy the harness, and you got a gray plug here. You plug it into your gray plug. It's like a puzzle, triangle plug, like that. All right. And you take this here. This is your other harness. And run it down the hole here because you're running it to the, you're going to run it to the driver's side. Let me show you here. You're going to take it and run it in the hole down the driver's side there. Excuse me, passenger side. Just like that. And what you're going to do, you're going to leave in there. I'll show you. Once you get it in there, you're going to leave that plug in there because that's what plugs into your plug. That plugs into the state of charge meter. So then what you're going to do is look under here. You're going to run your harness. Over the spring. And you can see your existing harness is right there. So you're going to run it down your existing harness. So what I'm going to do, see if you can see anything there. Yeah, I'm going to take it. Run it with the existing harness. Make sure you run your wire through the channel, man, because that way if you hit a bump or something, it won't pull out. Like that. Then back here, you're going to run it in this channel too. Now you'll have to take the solenoid cover off. So what I'm going to do now is come up here. You got your cover here for your solenoid, 3/8 socket. Take that off. Believe it or not, man, this is the first one of these I've ever did. But pretty damn simple. So what you're gonna do, take your wire harness, feed it up. What I'm gonna do is take it, stick it in a hole there. If I can get out of there. Like I said, man, run it from the gauge back first. Run it from the dash back. It's easier, less wires to go everywhere. All right, then I'm gonna take this here. Pull my slack out. The fuse is catching on something. All right, got that. Pull it up. So what we're going to do now is we got the ground. We put the ground on here. To show them under here, Travis. You look under here. There is a plug right here. So what you want to do, unplug it like that. You pull the cap off, and then you plug in the battery gauge here. They got it hidden down there though. So then when I plug it in, so then what you want to do is take it and snap it back on, because it just clips on there. So I'm gonna take it and just push it back in the clip. There it goes right there. Push it up like this. Take and push it up like that, and it locks it on there. All right, now we're gonna turn the key on. And you can see the golf cart runs. And there's your gauge. Gauge shows about 3/4 full. A little bit over, probably 7/8. Like I said, now you just take it. I'm gonna move the light switch right here. And I'm gonna take the Dremel tool and cut this out around hole here to put the gauge. All right, man, stay tuned, man. I'll post some more. Y'all be good, man.